Alright guys and girls, welcome back to another quick video on my YouTube channel. So in today's episode we're just going to do a quick unboxing into the series. But before I do, I want to say a happy birthday to Jade. Today it's my sister from another mother. It's her birthday today, so happy birthday to her, and happy many more returns. And I say she's always been there for me, and I've always been there for her and stuff. And she's an amazing woman, and she should never forget that as well. Absolutely amazing, incredible woman. So happy birthday. And yeah, so for today's unboxing video, we are going to do today an unboxing of something I actually just got from Argos not too long ago, and I've got a couple of these ones. But they've got the new version just come out. Well, I wouldn't say it's come out, but they've had it in stock. I've actually basically purchased. Basically, here we go. Actually, I can hear myself now. I had the thing on the direct, so I couldn't hear myself. So, so the microphone here I'm using is my Rode NT1A microphone. Very clear and precise. I'm also using my iMac sort of built-in webcam. I've got that at 1080p, but it's 720, so sort of upscaled it a little bit. So in today's episode, we are looking at the next version of GoPro's Heroes series. Now this is the Hero 9 Black Edition. This one here. And I love GoPros. I've always been sort of a fan of GoPros. Obviously, you can get the Apple version from the App Store to do the downloads and uploads and stuff on here. And also, it's got a big battery in it this time. I think it's 1700 mAh. And it's also got a lot of different things and stuff on it. So we've got a 20 megapixel camera. So to people who are not tech savvy, 20 megapixels is, I'd say, 4 megapixels down from a normal camera on a sort of all your iPhone cameras. Sometimes you can have 12 megapixels. Well, the 12 megapixels on normal cameras on iPhones or is just your standard. But for taking photos, it means it's going to be high quality. It's not going to be anything like bad. But it is going to be super wide, depending on your resolution and your frame rate. And it's also video. You can actually have up to 5K. So basically, 5K on the audio is basically, it's almost 2K but double. It's double 2K. So it's like, actually it's more than actually 2K. Actually it's about, because 4K is 2K times 2. So this would be basically to 4 times the average, actually 5 times, 5 to 6 times more pixels on the resolution than 2K cameras. Now 2K is like usually 1440p. Well, 4K is 3840 by 2160. I'm not too sure about what the 5K is. I think that'd be 4100. Actually, no, it'd be 51,000 something K. Not thousand, but over 5,000 pixels or 5 million pixels. Something around about that. But anyway, we've got 5K at 30 frames per second. I'm hoping they've got a 24 frames 24 frames per second, due to the sort of videos, so you can do like proper movie ones, sort of cinematics with it. I will be doing actually a review on this actually, and sort of testing out different features. Also, this has got 4K at 60 frames per second, or 1080p at 240 frames per second. So 240 frames per second at 1080p. That is absolutely awesome. It goes 10 meters down, 33 feet down. It's got voice control with it this time. Now, I've got nearly, I wouldn't say every single one thing. I've got a GoPro Hero 4. I've got a GoPro Hero, I think 6, Hero 6, the silver version. I've got the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, and now I've got the 9. I actually skipped the 8 because I heard some bad things about the 8th version, and to stick with the 7, which I did. Actually, I've got to try and find my GoPro Hero 7 and then do a comparisons with the quality on it next to each other, like 1080p, 1080p, 4K and 4K, and then do like a side by side on it. Also, I have a GoPro Hero Max, which is actually a 360 camera, and I've done quite a few videos on that when I've been going out on my bicycle doing 360 videos and stuff, so you can just look around it and just use the camera and or the mouse on the computer and just move around. With this one, this is just a standard camera. This is not like your average 360 camera. But I do want to check the quality out on this, because the quality itself is what I like about cameras. I like the cameras, the quality on it, and also it's got live stream on it, so I might be able to live stream with this. And it's got a big battery with it as well. Apparently it's a long battery life on it. I'm hoping, but I want to get a couple extra batteries with this and the charger, which is about 58 quid, so I might have to order that on Amazon. I tried looking in Argos today, couldn't find it anywhere. They've sold out basically. It's got 8 times slow-mo, so you can actually put an 8 times and slow it right down on the actual thing. But I think most of it you've got to do within the app, or the, not app, but the software, whatever you use to convert the videos to. Now, we've got data overlays as well. So it says data overlays. I have no idea what that is, but obviously it's something new. And now we'll do some checks on that, see what that is all about. We've got time warp 3.0. So that means basically when you're walking and you're holding the camera straight forward, you walk forward and then you start moving like that. It will do it like, you could say it's like, what they call it. It's like a time lapse, but it speeds up. The time lapse speeds up. So I think for a minute of footage is like about 5,000. It takes so many photos a minute, and then you put those photos into a video, and then you can just, it makes it look like you're actually going super fast. So you're actually walking really fast, and it's called time warp. Now, interestingly, this had it on the 7. I'm not too sure if it had it on the 6. I can't remember, but I know they had it on the 7, and I don't know if they had it on 8. I'm pretty sure they probably had it on 8 as well, because it's one of those features. I might have to do an update with it as well. Also, it's got 1080p live streaming. I'm hoping that's at 1080p, 60 frames per second. That would be quite cool if it's nice and solid and nice and smooth. So, like when I do like this now, look at that. You can see how that, because it's 30 frames per second. Look at that. You can see how fast my hand is slowing down. There's like a jerkiness in it. That's because it's 30 frames per second. And also we've got Super Photo H plus HDR. So HDR is your high dynamic range. It's basically your blacks you'll see really good dark areas light up a bit better, and also you'll have your lighter areas light up and all the colors pop out, basically the high dynamic range of the colors. So you'll see more colors that you've ever seen before. Also, it's got RAW on here, so basically I presume you can actually do it all manual, focus and all this kind of stuff. There's a zoom on it as well. I think you can actually zoom in a lot with this actually camera. I think there's like 4 or 5 times the zoom, or 6 times zoom. Also, we've got webcam mode, so you could turn this into a web camera and then just record. So hopefully the webcam's in 4K. That would be quite cool if it's in 4K as a webcam. Also, we've got touch screen. So the screen's actually a touch screen. So what we'll do, let's open the box here a minute. Now, I love my webcams and I love my GoPro. So it comes in this beautiful, beautiful box. So we've got this nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful box. Right. Bloody dust in here. Right. So here we go. So that's the box it comes in. That is actually beautiful. It's actually quite nice. I'll definitely keep the box somewhere. So it's got the USB-C charging cable. It's actually a USB-C this time. That's incredible. That's really good. Makes it a lot easier because a lot of the outputs nowadays are USB-C. Then we have here the battery with the logo GoPro on it. That's pretty cool. And that says GoPro. And it doesn't tell you what the output of it is. The charge MAH. I think it's around 17. Oh, 1720 MAH. So this is actually, I think this is twice bigger than your standard GoPro batteries. So you're getting double the time on it, on the duration. You've got these like little sticky things, so you can put those onto your car window if you've got a car on it. I don't do that. Or you've got basically, you've got these little brackets that you can put on there, and you can put the GoPro onto it and just attach it onto something. Then we've got this like little screw, so you can screw that onto anything. And then we've got the, oh, that is a massive GoPro camera. So that's the GoPro camera there. That's pretty cool. That's the back. And then you've got this one here. That's the screen. Anything else in the box? No. And then just got your subscribe to GoPro, little manual product instructions and questionnaires and all that. So that's pretty much all you get. And then we've got like basically underneath the bracket underneath. And then you've got the side, the power button on the side. I'm just keeping that on the cellophane for now until I charge it up later on, and I will do some video testing on it. But for now, I'm gonna have a sausage roll, and just put all these bits and bobs in there. And this should do the unboxing for this video. So I will do some actual video capture on it. And let us know what you guys and girls, if you've got one yourself, if you've got the GoPro Hero 9 yourself, or if you did you skip as well the GoPro Hero 8 and just went on straight on to 9. And what features would you like to see in GoPro Hero 10 if they actually start making them and all that. I think the actual GoPro Hero 9 has been out since last year, so since 2020, like sort of near Christmas time area. I think that came out around about September, October somewhere. I'm not too sure entirely, but I've only just picked it up today and stuff for Monday the 24th of May. It's 7:37 now, and also it's my friend's birthday as well, so happy birthday to her again. But yeah, all stay safe, guys and girls. I will see you on the next episode. I do love my gadgets, and I do love my cameras and my equipment and my sort of microphone and all of that. But yeah, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode.